Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 7th chapter 8 The Great Bus Chase question and answers from a book English Junction publication Orient Black Swan. So let's start the reading the question. It's comprehension A. Answer these question. So the first question is, where was the narrator driving to when he was come across a small traffic jam? Question mark. The answer for this question is, the narrator was on his way to Amritsar to meet his parents when he came across the traffic jam. This is the answer for this first questions. Now the second question is, what had happened to Jolly Junjunwala? The answer for this question is, his bus has taken off without him when they had stopped for breakfast. Now the next question is, how did they discover the registration number of the bus? So the answer for this question is, Jolly's sister-in-law had the booking slip in her handbag. This is the answer for this question. Now the next question is again from comprehension A. Question number 4. Why were Jolly's wife and sister-in-law holding on each other? Faces white with a fear. So the answer for this question is, they were frightened because Mehta was driving very fast and waving in and out of a traffic. This is the answer for this question. And the next question is, what did the bus driver do when the car pulled up alongside the bus? The answer for this question is, the bus driver laughed and said, this bus will only stop in Ambala. Catch me if you can. So the next question is, what finally stopped Jolly from beating up the bus driver? Answer for this question is, the other passengers asked him who could drive the bus if he ended up hurting the driver. This is the answer for this sixth question. Now the next question is, this is a question number 7. Did the great bus chase end well? Yes, it did. Jolly and his families were able to board the correct bus and continue on their journey. This is the answer for this question. So the next one is, this is actually I just stopped the camera because of image. This flow chart is not clearly visible. Complete this flow chart. I'll filter this flow chart, so children, you have to just see where I written the correct answer. That only you have to write in your book. This question you have to do in your book only. No need to copy this in your notebook. So this is, Jolly ordered breakfast and begins to eat his bus. Jolly gets into the bus to find. So in the first blank here I write, the bus finally stopped when they see the bus but the driver. Jolly is like in this sequence. Jolly Jolly orders breakfast and begins to eat. Then his bus. Jolly get into the bus to find. Jolly, his wives and his sister-in-law get into the car and they begins to. Then they see the bus but the driver. The bus finally stopped when Jolly jumped out of the car and the other passengers, Jolly, Junjunwala's and his families finally. This is a sequence that you have to write in this sequence, the answers. So the next question is here. It is again from comprehension B. Complete this flow chart. That flow charts that already I read out, that I write in this sequence wise, that this way you have to complete that flow charts answers. So first should be Jolly ordered breakfast and begin to eat. His bus take off 5 minutes before the scheduled time, but Jolly does not realize this. Third is Jolly gets into the bus to find another man seated in what he thought was his place. Fourth is Jolly, his wife and his sister-in-law get into the bus and they begin to chase their bus. Fifth one is they see the bus but the driver refuses to stop the bus. He say the bus will only stop at Ambala. The sixth one is the bus finally stops when it comes to a red light. Seventh, Jolly jumps out of the car and drag the bus driver out of the bus and slap him. 8. The other passengers try and stop Jolly. They finally manage it. Ninth one is Jolly, Jhunjhunwalas and his families finally get back into their buses and continue their journey. This is the correct sequence. Before that, I just read the flow charts, and this is the correct complete answers of that flow chart that I completed here, that you have to write in your book, textbook only. The next is comprehension C. This is the think and answer. So these questions I just not written these answers because it's a think and answers. Here you have to write what you think, what you feel, what should be the answers. In this question, it is thinking about your opinion. What kind of question is, what kind of person do you think the narrator is? So you have to write your own opinion, what you think. So I didn't written this answer, so you have to write these answers by yourself. Compare and contrast the narrator with a Jolly Jhunjhunwala. So this answers I left for you. You have to do by yourself, children, because in this question is asking your opinion. So the next question is from a grammar. So because of this camera, the question is just hidden, so I'm going to off the camera. You have to keep concentration on my voice, so I'm just off the camera. So here is in a grammar A, choose the correct form of verbs to complete these sentences. What you have to do, you have to choose the correct form of verbs. That already I explained this topic in a class also, means online class. So first is already done. So here I written from a second one. Humans have never managed to abolish wars up to now, but maybe they find a way in a future. Here you have three options already given 3 options. You just have to choose the correct option. So the correct options for second is have never managed. Third sentence is when we went to the cinema, the film had already started. Had already started is the correct option. Fourth, the train will have left before we reach the station. This is the correct option. Fifth one is when I get home, I always see my cat sitting at the window waiting for me. Sixth one is this comic strip appears in the paper twice weekly. Seventh is I have not seen Kishore this week. I think he's out of town. 8. I have done a lot of work today. This 8 sentence actually just really suit on me. I also did a lot of work today, and today let me inform you, now it is night, it's going 1:15 a.m. but still I am making this video for you children, so please complete your work on a time. That only I want to say, please complete your work. After all, finishing all my works, household works, school works, everything, then now it is 1:15, and even in morning also I have to wake up at 5 for reaching school on a time. So children, please concentrate on your studies and complete your work. So it is 9th, we are on a 9th. Let us meet at a 6. I will have finished exercise by then. 10th is tomorrow is Sunday. It's definitely tomorrow is Sunday here. Today is Friday night. It is now Saturday and then Sunday. Okay, let it be. Okay, next question is, but अभी रात के 1:15 हो रहा है तो Saturday हो गया, and this sentence is also suit and here that tomorrow is Sunday and really I need that Sunday. Okay, the next is I'm going to off the camera because of this camera I can't read out the question, so I off the camera. Grammar part B. The question is here: write the complete sentences according to the instructions in the brackets. In brackets, the instruction is already given. It is like a jumbled word and you have to make it in a past continuous tense. The first one is he wait half an hour. So with the help of these words we have to make a sentence in a past continuous tense. So I'll make it like this way: he was waiting for half an hour. Now the second one is the kitten shivered in the cold. We have to make it in a simple past tense. Okay, third one we have to make it in a present perfect tense. The gardener has cut the grass. The answer is the gardener has cut the grass. The fourth one, this with the help of these words we have to make a sentence in a present perfect tense. So the sentence is Sunita has been taking a violin classes since she was 7 years old. Fifth one is I am washing my cycle. It is in the present perfect continuous tense. Continuous is there, that's why we are using a ing here. And present perfect is there, that's why we are using a I am washing my cycle. Okay, this is the last questions, children, regarding a grammar. And after grammar, vocabulary and all already we discussed in online classes, already we discussed. So children, if you understand the explanation of my video, then please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video and complete your work on time. Okay, bye.